Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.3. In exercise 3.3, I have written question number 1 to 5 here, right? In which question number 1 to 4 are based on the value of trigonometric function at pi by 6, pi by 3, pi by 4, which is you know very well. So I am going to solve any one question from this, right? I am taking the question number 3 here. Question number 3 is here. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Right? So we write here LHS cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Now you have to remember all the values of trigonometric function at pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, etc. So what is the value of cot pi by 6? So it is cos pi by 6 upon sin pi by 6, and cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 6 is 1 upon 2. So what is the value of cot pi by 6? That is only root 3 and root 3 whole square. Now see here, cosec 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is not in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, then we put the direct value, but it is in other than first quadrant. So we have to check the quadrant also first. Cosec 5 pi by 6 will be split. 5 pi will be split by 6 minus 1. So we write this will be 6 pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 tan pi by 6 again. Tan pi by 6 is ratio of sin and cos. Sin pi by 6, that is 1 upon 2. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2, that is 1 upon root 3 whole square. Right? This way, root 3 square, that is only 3. Plus cosec, what is this? 6 pi upon 6. Each term dividing by 6. So 6 pi upon 6 is pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 square, that is 1 upon 3. Right? And is equal to 3 plus cosec pi minus pi by 6. Now you decide the quadrant here. Pi minus, right? Pi minus, that is, we have to move, minus sign means we have to move in clockwise direction. The pi must be here, right? A, B, C. Pi will be at C, and pi minus, that is, we get the second quadrant. Pi minus x must be here, right? That it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, by all STC, what is S? S for sine. The sine is positive and its reciprocal is positive. What is reciprocal of sine? That is cosec. Cosec is positive, right? So we get positive sine. And at pi, we have noticed the at pi function remain same. So what is the value of this function? Cosec pi minus 6 is nothing but cosec pi by 6 plus 3 cancel here, so you get 1. 3 equals. Now value of cosec pi by 6, that is for 2. Sin pi by 6 is 1 upon 2. The reciprocal is 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So you get equal to RHS. Right? So remember here, we have to prove result. That is RHS is given. Sometimes it is not given, RHS. Right? Suppose 6 is not given, then this question will be written as evaluate. Evaluate or find the value of this. Right? In this way also, evaluate or find the value of this expression, so it will be 6. In this way also this question will be asked. Now see the question number 5. Find the value of number 1, sin 75 degree, tan 15 degree. Right? So already we have find sin 75 degree and tan 15 degree in previously in solving the illustration. Right? So I am not going to solve this. You have to find this. Now question number 6. Question number 6 now. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. Right. So see, we have to prove this. We have to apply the what? Addition formula here. Right. The more convenient we suppose here. Right. We suppose that for convenience, suppose pi by 4 minus x is equal to alpha and pi by 4 minus y is equal to beta. So by adding these two, by adding we get, what is it? Pi by 2, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2 minus x plus y is equal to alpha plus beta, right? And by subtracting, so what is subtraction here? Pi by 4 minus pi by 4, that is 0, minus x plus y you get, and it is equal to alpha minus beta, or alpha minus beta is equal to, or alpha minus beta will be written as y minus x, right, by subtracting. Now LHS, the substitute here. What is LHS? Put pi by 4 minus x is equal to alpha. Alpha into cos beta. Cos alpha into cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta. Okay. So now you get addition formula. Cos minus sin. Right? It is nothing but cos alpha plus beta. Direct formula you get, which we have derived first one. Alpha plus beta. What is the alpha plus beta? The alpha plus beta is given here. The substitute value of alpha plus beta, it is cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. Right. And then add pi by 2. See here, this is pi by 2 minus theta form. So add pi by 2, function will be changed. And pi by 2 minus when it is in a first quarter. In first quarter, all functions are positive. So what is cos will be sine, it is positive, and sine of x plus y, and is equal to we get RHS. Right? In this way we prove easily by using the addition formula. Proved it. Right? We have to prove this. Now say LHS. Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Right. Now we apply the addition formula for tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. So what is tan alpha plus beta? It is tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Right? Similarly in denominator, tan pi by 4 minus x. That is tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Substitute value of what? Tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Is equal to, we write 1 plus Right, 1 plus tan x. What is tan pi by 4 is 1. Then 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, that is 1 minus tan x. Whole divided by. What is here? 1 minus, in denominator you get 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Right. So obvious, this will be denominator is multiplied numerator, and this will be multiplied here. Right. And therefore you get, this is nothing but 1 plus tan x whole square and 1 minus tan x whole square is equal to here r. Question number 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x into bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Right, we have to prove this result. So we have to apply here aligned angle formula, that is we have to check the quadrant of each angle, and then we have to put the sign. Remember, at pi by 2 function will be changed, at pi it is remain same, function will be remain same. So see here, directly write LHS. Right, LHS is equal to cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x in bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Right. Now check here. See the point on the coordinate axis at the A point A, B, C, D on the unit circle A, B, C and D here. So what is here? Pi by 2. Here we get pi. Here we get 3 pi by 2. And again we get here 2 pi. So here's now the all SDC. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Also remember all S, P and C. Right. Now see the first angle 3 pi by 2 plus x. So 3 pi by 2 is plus sign. 3 pi by 2 plus, then we have to move in anti-clockwise direction. If 3 pi by 2 minus, then we have to move in a clockwise direction. So what is here 3 pi by 2? The point is given 3 pi by 2 plus x. So this will be, this angle must be here 3 pi by 2 plus x. Which quadrant? In fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which function is positive? C. C means cos. Cos and is reciprocal. Remaining fours are negative. Second thing, at pi by 2. At pi by 2 function will be changed. So what is cos will be changed to sine. Right. Sine. Which function is given? Cos. Cos is already positive in what? Fourth quadrant. So we get, this is nothing but sine C only. Into cos 2 pi plus x. So again you 2 pi is here. Right? 2 pi here. And 2 anti-clockwise direction we have to move 2 pi plus x. So which quadrant you get? First quadrant. In first quadrant all functions are positive. Also at pi function remain same. So we write this will be cos 2 pi, at pi function remains same, cos and it is x, cos x. Function is positive. Into, in bracket now, right, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So again we have to, we come here 3 pi by 2, and 3 pi by 2 minus x means we have to move in a clockwise direction. Minus sign here. 3 pi by 2 minus x must be here. In which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant t is positive and its reciprocal, that is cot is positive, remaining all are negative. Also at pi by 2 function will be changed. So cot will be changed to what? 10. So cot is positive cot will be changed to tan x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Cot 2 pi plus x again here, right? In first quadrant all are positive, all functions are positive and function remain same at pi. So it will be cot 2 pi plus x will be nothing but cot x. So this is what sin x into cos x. In bracket we write now simplify. Write in express in a sin and cos. So tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x plus this is cos x upon sin x. Right, and is equal to here sin x into cos x. Now receive LCM here, right? Sin x here multiply. So it is LCM is sin x into cos x. So sin square x plus cos square x whole divided by sin x into cos x. Right? So this is this will come in product cancel. And what is sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Identity and is equal to here RHS. Now question number 10. Prove that sine of n plus 1 x into sine n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x and cos n plus 2 x is equal to cos x. Prove this. So see the angle of both functions. So n plus 1x, n plus 2x, n plus 1x, n plus 2x. For convenience, we suppose this equal to first angle is suppose alpha, second angle is beta. For convenience, let n plus 1 into x is equal to alpha and n plus 2 x is equal to beta. So by subtracting we write here alpha minus beta. So what is it? N plus 1 x minus n plus 2 x. We take common x, n plus 1 minus n minus 2. Or we write this will be simplified this. So you get x into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. You get minus x. What is it? Alpha minus beta. Right, no need to add here. Right, we require only subtraction. Why? Cos plus sin is given. Then sin must be in addition formula you get minus. So we write now LHS. LHS is equal to sin. Substitute n plus 1 x, that is alpha, n plus 2, that is beta, plus cos alpha into cos beta. Right? We arrange the term first, last term will be written as first cos alpha, cos beta to set in a formula. Sin alpha into sin beta. So this is nothing but cos plus sin is nothing but cos of alpha minus beta. Right? And cos alpha minus beta we have derived is what is it? Cos of minus x. Now we have also learned the cos is even function. Cos is even function and cos of minus x will be written as cos x is equal to again RHS. Now question number 11. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. See, we can solve this example in two ways. By using the addition formula, also we apply the formula cos c minus cos d, that is difference of cosine function. Cos c minus cos d represented in a product, that is c minus c is equal to what? Minus 2ss. We can apply any one, right? Either addition formula or difference as a product. So I am consider difference as a product, right? So for convenience, let 3 pi by 4 plus x is equal to c, and 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to d, right? For convenience. So first we add these two. What is c plus d? C plus d is equal to 3 pi by 4 plus x, right? Plus 3 pi by 4 minus x. So this x cancel. So you get total 3 plus 3, that is 6 pi by 4, or you get 3 pi by 2 theta, 3 pi by 2, right? C plus d is equal to 3 pi by 2. And now subtract this, c minus d. So we write this is 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. And 3 pi by 4 cancel. What is here? X minus minus plus x. So we get, by simplification we get 2x. Now we write LHS in terms of c and d. So what is LHS? So it is only cos c minus cos d. So we have already written difference as a product. Cos c minus cos d, difference as a product. So what is c minus c? We have written this, c minus c is equal to minus 2ss. Sum of angle here, sum of angle and subtraction of angle is divided by 2. Remember this. So cos c minus cos d, so it is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. We have already find the value of c minus d and c plus d. Right? The substitute value of c plus d here, the minus 2 sin c plus d, that is 3 pi by 2 whole divided by 2, and sin c minus d is equal to, we write 2x whole divided by 2, right? So this will be written as 2 sin 3 pi by 4, and these two cancel. What is it mean? Sin x. Now 3 pi by 4 is known in the first quadrant. So we have to check the quadrant of 3 pi by 4, that is pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, which quadrant you get? Second quadrant. Right? In second quadrant, sign is positive. Function remains same. So sin 3 pi by 4 is nothing but sin pi by 4. Right? We have seen previously that this is also written as pi by 4. Why? Pi minus pi by 4 will be written as sin pi by 4 into sin x. And substitute value of pi by 4, minus 2. Sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and into sin x, or is equal to, we write what? 2 upon root 2 by index rule, 2 raised to 1 minus half, or 2 will be written as root 2 into root 2, 1 root 2 cancel. What is remain? Root 2 only, so minus root 2 into sin x, and this is what required averages. Question number 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Also I am writing here similar sum. Question number 13. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Both are the similar sum. So for this we apply the special formula, that is sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta. I have written, right? Sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta is equal to what? Sin square alpha minus sin square beta. Right? Also we apply the formula sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Right? Also we apply the formula sin square alpha minus sin square beta, difference of perfect square. Then we write in a factorized form sin 6x minus sin 4x, and second factor is sin 6x plus sin 4x. The sum or difference represent as a what? Product. So we can solve by any method. The very shortcut method is only remember this formula sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta is equal to, we have sin square alpha minus sin square beta. If you remember this formula, then you can solve this sum in a 2 step. Right? So see here, sin square alpha LHS is equal to sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So sin square alpha minus sin square beta. So here compare with this. The alpha is equal to 6x and beta is equal to 4x. The substitute here, right? So this is sin 6x plus 4x into sin 6x minus 4x. Right? And therefore this sin 6x plus 4x, that is 10x into sin 6x minus 4x is 2x. So it is equal to here RHS. Simple. Similarly here, see here, but here cos square minus cos square given. The first we apply the identity, convert into sin LHS. What is here? Cos square 2x will be written as 1 minus sin square 2x minus cos square 6x is 1 minus sin square 6x. Right? Simplify. This one cancel. And minus minus plus here. The first we write sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Right? Again apply the formula sin square alpha minus sin square beta is a product sin 6x plus 2x into sin 6x minus 2x. So this is nothing but sin 8x into sin 4x is the required RHS. Now question number 14. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Let's see here, prove this. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Let's see that in RHS we require sin 4x. It is given in LHS also. So we keep it as it is and we add in the first and last term. So what is LHS? First we write the biggest angles, that is sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sine 4x. We may split here. 2 sine 4x will be written as 1 plus 1. Right? Now this s plus s represents sum as a product. So what is s plus s? S plus s, remember this, is equal to 2sc. Right? And sum is represented as product, then sum of angle and subtraction of angle must be divided by 2. You have to remember this. So 2 times sine, the sum of angle 6x plus 2x by 2. Right? Into cos, the subtraction of angle 6x minus 2x by 2 plus 2 sine 4x. And now simplify this. 2 sine 6 plus 2 8 by 2, that is 4x into cos 6 minus 2 4 by 2, that is 2x plus 2 sine 4x. The 2 sine 4x common. 2 sine 4x is common. So what will remain in bracket? Cos 2x from first term. And what is here? Plus 1. Right? 2 sine 4x. For this we have written 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. If you forget this, then we write a cos 2x in term of cos x only. 2 cos square x minus 1. The formula of cos 2x plus 1. 1 cancel. And now we remain 2 to the 4 cos square x into sine 4x. And is equal to get RHS. Now see the question number 15. Cot 4x, prove that into sine 5x plus sine 3x is equal to cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. So see here, we have to prove cot 4x into bracket sine 5x plus sine 3x is equal to cot x into bracket sine 5x minus sine 3x. So what is change in LHS and RHS? The second term in product, see the sine 5x plus sine 3x, and here only sine 5x minus sine 3x. So we may multiply and divided by sine 5x minus sine 3x to get RHS term, right? So we simplify, and the LHS is equal to cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x divided by sine 5x minus sine 3x into multiply divided by this sine 5x minus sine 3x. Right? This term is required. We accept here sine 5x minus sine 3x is not equal to 0. This term must be non-zero. Sine 5x minus sine 3x is not equal to 0. But now cot 4x. Now simplify s plus s. What is s plus s? 2sc. Right? The sum is a product. So 2 sine 5x plus 3x. Right? That is 8x. 8x by 2, that is 4x. Sum of angle is divided by 2. Now product. 2s plus s, that is 2sc. The subtraction of angle 5x minus 3x. What is it? 2x. 2x by 2, that is only cos x. Divided by this also sin 5x minus sin 3x, as minus s will be written as 2cs. So we write 2 cos 5x plus 3x 8x by 2 and into sin, you get difference is 2, and this term is it is sin 5x minus sin 3x. Why we have multiplied, as RHS is required sin 5x minus 3x, so we have multiplied and divided by sin 5x minus 3x. Now see here, what is here? Cot 4x, these 2 cancel, right? 2 cancel. Cos 4x, cot 4x, sin 4x upon cos 4x, that is tan 4x, and cos upon sin x, that is cot x, and into sin 5x minus sin 3x, right? So now see the cot into tan with same angle 4x, they are reciprocal of each other. So this will be 1. This product is 1. Cot x into tan x is equal to 1. Cot 4x into tan 4x is also 1. And therefore what is given? Only cot x and into bracket sin 5x minus sin 3x, and is equal to RHS.